Our story begins in a swirling chaos of cosmic dust and gas nearly 4.5 billion years ago. Out of this celestial cloud, a new world is born. Gravity pulls a fiery ball of molten rock together, a planet in its violent infancy. For millions of years, Earth is a hellscape, bombarded by asteroids and comets, its surface a glowing ocean of lava. Volcanoes erupt relentlessly, spewing gases that form a thick, toxic atmosphere. Slowly, over an immense stretch of time, the surface begins to cool. The molten rock hardens into a solid crust, and the steam that once choked the sky condenses, falling as rain for centuries, creating the first global oceans. Beneath the waves of this primordial sea, something extraordinary is about to happen. In the warm, chemical-rich waters, the very first sparks of life ignite. Simple, single-celled organisms emerge, the ancestors of everything that will ever live. For over 1 billion years, these tiny microbes are the sole inhabitants of our planet. Then, a revolutionary breakthrough occurs: photosynthesis. A new type of bacteria, cyanobacteria, learns to harness the power of the sun. As a byproduct, they release a waste gas, a gas that will transform the world: oxygen. This great oxidation event is a catastrophe for early life, but it paves the way for a more complex future, slowly turning our sky blue and making the air breathable. The planet itself is not static. Underneath the vast oceans, the crust is in constant motion. Tectonic plates drift and collide, pushing land masses together into a single, colossal supercontinent, Pangaea. Life, now multicellular, explodes in diversity in the oceans. The first creatures with backbones, the fish, appear. Some of them develop primitive lungs and sturdy fins, daring to crawl onto the land. These are the first amphibians, pioneers in a new world, quickly followed by reptiles who fully sever their ties to the water. The land is now green with forests of giant ferns and bizarre trees, and for the first time, it echoes with the footsteps of animals. The planet enters a new age, an age of giants. This is the Mesozoic era, the time of the dinosaurs. From the towering Argentinosaurus to the ferocious Tyrannosaurus rex, these magnificent creatures dominate every corner of the globe for over 150 million years. They are the undisputed kings of the Earth, an evolutionary success story unlike any other. But their reign comes to a sudden, cataclysmic end. 66 million years ago, a 6-mile-wide asteroid, traveling at unimaginable speed, slams into the planet. The impact unleashes the energy of billions of atomic bombs, triggering global earthquakes, tsunamis, and a fiery rain of debris that incinerates forests worldwide. A dark cloud of dust and soot blankets the Earth, blocking out the sun, plunging the world into a long, dark winter. The dinosaurs, along with 75% of all species on Earth, are wiped out. But extinction clears the way for new life. From the ashes of the dinosaurs' world, a new class of animals rises. They are small, furry, and warm-blooded, the mammals. For millions of years, they had lived in the shadows of the dinosaurs. Now, with their competition gone, they diversify rapidly, filling the empty ecological niches. They grow larger, smarter, and spread across the recovering planet. At the same time, some of the dinosaurs that did survive the impact, the small, feathered ones, continue to evolve, becoming the birds that fill our skies today. The world begins to look more like the one we know. Continents have drifted into their modern positions, and new mountain ranges like the Himalayas are thrust upwards. In the warm savannas of Africa, a new lineage of primates begins a remarkable journey. Forced out of the trees by a changing climate, they adapt to life on the ground. They stand up, walking on 2 legs, freeing their hands to create tools. These are the early hominins, our distant ancestors. Over millions of years, their brains grow larger and more complex. They learn to control fire, develop language, and form complex social groups. About 300,000 years ago, a new species emerges from this long line of evolution, Homo sapiens. U.S. We spread out of Africa, a wave of migration that covers every continent on Earth. We survive ice ages, hunt massive beasts, and paint our stories on cave walls. We learn to farm, build cities, and develop writing. Our curiosity drives us to explore, to understand, to build. From a molten rock in a cosmic dust cloud to a civilization capable of looking back at the stars, this is the incredible 4-billion-year story of our home, planet Earth. Our story is still being written, a tiny, fleeting chapter in an immense cosmic book. What will the next page hold? Thanks for watching this journey through time. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more stories about our amazing universe.